The Dayton Audio Epique E150HE-44 subwoofer uses an advanced dual-gap motor that keeps movement extremely linear, so bass stays clean even at higher output levels. Its rigid carbon fiber cone is both light and well-damped, giving this small driver surprisingly smooth response and excellent detail across its working range. With an excursion of roughly 14 millimeters, it can move a lot of air for its size, delivering deep, controlled low frequencies that feel tight rather than boomy. Careful inductance management and generous venting help the voice coil run cool and stable, which maintains clarity during long listening sessions and demanding movie scenes. The dual 4-ohm voice coils make it easy to match different amplifiers and wiring schemes, whether you are building a compact subwoofer or integrating multiple drivers. Because it behaves so predictably and reaches low while staying articulate, it works equally well as a dedicated subwoofer or as a robust low-frequency driver in a high-performance two-way system.